Hello everyone and welcome. I see you looking for a discount on your Shopify plan. So I'm here to provide you that for free. Nothing to worry, everything is safe. As of today, January 6, 2019, the plans on Shopify range from $29 to $299. You have the Shopify plan in the middle also at $79. So I am able to give you discount and special bonuses on all of these plans, including also the Shopify Plus. So how am I able to do this? I am personally the owner of Webso Media Inc. agency, which is based in Canada. I've been with Shopify since 2014, and Shopify lets a few partners give a discount on new customers through the Shopify platform. So this is really important. It has to be a new customer. Even if you did a trial before, that will not work. It has to be a new customer with a new email, all new information for the discount to work. After that, it's really easy. It's gonna take you 1 minute to do, not more than that. All you have to do is click somewhere on the top right if you're on the desktop, or the bottom left of your screen if you're mobile, or in the description, it's gonna link you to a page similar to this. So depending on the plan you select, you will have different discounts. Like on the Shopify base plan, you have 10% off for 12 months and a 21 days trial instead of the standard 14 days. All you have to do is put in your name and your email. This is all safe. I'm gonna send you just one email, nothing more, nothing less. You can even unsubscribe after you get the email with discount. This, we put it in place because Shopify does not allow us to publicly share the discounts. So you need to be part of our list. We need to send you an email with the instruction for the codes, but it's simple and it's safe. So this is for the base. This is for the Shopify plan, which all the discounts will be worth $145. This is for the Shopify Advance. You get 60 days trial, you get a full website analyze, you get 5 hours of work credit with my agency, which is worth $1,033. And the Shopify Plus, the discounted bonuses, it's even more, up to $4,349. Again, it includes some work, some free work, full analyze of your website, a business call with me, and of course your 10% off for 6 months. So that's it. Pretty simple, safe, and easy to do. Nothing to worry about it. Again, I'm a Shopify expert and partner. You can find me on Shopify Expert's page, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or get in touch with me with the information in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer them or help you with something else. Thank you.